with Shay. I am here for my Q&A. I asked you guys to ask me whatever questions that you guys want to ask me. And so I'm going to try to make this video really quick, but I have to warn you, this is like the third take and it's getting a little out of hand. But I'm trying to be helpful. And so, but if you're new here, yes, if you are new here and it's your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay. Definitely subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like button, support your girl, and don't forget to make sure your post notification on so you notice the video. So listen, I'm gonna really try to make this quick. All right. So going through the questions, a lot of them have to do with stacking and the sister apps. So try to stay on track. And so for starters, let me just tell you all of the apps that I do use, because somebody asked, which apps do you use? And I said, okay. I can say how many I use. I can say what I use. So I use Ibotta, Shopmium, Alexa, Checkout 51, Shopkick, Swagbucks, MyPoints, Inbox, and Tada. Brand Club, Fetch Reward, Frisbee, which is a scan any receipt type of app. Flavor Wiki, Merryfield, and Walmart Rewards. So what is that? 15? 15 different apps, you guys. 15. And so those are the ones that I use. One huge question that I get a ton is, it has to do with stacking. Which apps can you stack? Okay, I'm going to be technical with you guys. Okay, we're going to get technical. Ones that you technically, and I say technically with air quotes for a reason, cannot stack would be Shopmium, Alexa, Checkout 51, Swagbucks, MyPoints, Inbox, Tada, and that's it. Those are all the ones that you cannot technically stack with. That is 4, 5, 6, 7 apps. So 7 out of 15 of the apps you can't technically stack with. All right. And I'm being technical with y'all because I want you to have the decision or choice of what you do. Like, when I come here to share deals, I'm not saying do what I do. Do what Shay do. I'm not saying do what I do. I want you to know technically so that you can make a decision based for you or whatever, right? So, technically. Now, when it comes to the sister apps, okay, the sister apps. Alexa and Shopmium are sister apps. You can't submit the same receipt to them. You can't. Back in the day, I don't want to say back in the day like it was a long time ago, but 2 months ago, 3 months ago, how long? Maybe we could. We can't now. Okay, so those are sister apps. Okay, they're manufacturer offers. They carry the same identical manufacturer offers. Alexa is through Amazon, and so you have to have an Amazon account in order to have Alexa. You download the app, and you activate your offers. You submit your receipt. It pays you to your Amazon balance. I like it because I love Amazon. Like, who doesn't love Amazon? Like, anything related to couponing remotely, I'm going to use Amazon instead of going to Walmart. Now, Shopmium, it pays you to either Venmo or PayPal. So you have to have either Venmo or PayPal for them to pay you. But it does go back to cash, which is good. So if I'm going to choose one or the other, it's going to be Shopmium because it's going back to cash. But I will do offers on Alexa as well if it's a really great deal. And I'm going to do it anyways, right? Okay, those are sister apps, right? Bing! Over here, we have another set of sister apps. We got Swagbucks, MyPoints, Inbox, and Tada, right? You cannot submit the same receipt to them. Who remembers back in the back of the day where we could? Let me know in the comments. But as of now, you cannot submit the same receipt to any of them, right? They have manufacturer offers, which mimic Shopmium and Alexa, right? They're both manufacturer offers. They also have their own offers that are like the Clorox, buy 2, get back 5. And it might say limit of 2, so you can buy 1 receipt and get back 10. They have those specific deals as well. Now, I get this question, and I want to say that when it comes to, because I know that when the sister apps over here, before they added manufacturer offers, I want to say those offers that they had specifically for them could be stacked with manufacturer offers. and the manufacturer offers can't be stacked with manufacturer offers, I want to say. But technically speaking, with the sister apps, you can't stack with any of them, whether it be Shop Me and Alexa over here, or Swagbucks, My Points, Inbox, and Dot over here. You can't stack with any of those. That's 6 apps you cannot stack with. All right, cash out to either gift cards or PayPal. I do PayPal for Swagbucks, My Points, and Inbox. I do strictly Walmart gift cards for Tada. Now, they did hit me up some time ago asking to verify me, to send in a copy of a picture of my driver's license. I told them, look, ma'am, sir, I dealt with some fraud in my past, and I don't feel comfortable with sending you my personal information. And it worked, whatever. They never got back to me. So strictly Walmart gift cards with Tada. With Swagbucks and My Points, they do share the same email address, and I don't have a phone number at all associated with them, so I don't have to do the phone verification for them. And I've had those accounts for a very long time. And then with Inbox Dollars and Tada, they do both have different email addresses, but they do share the same phone number, and I do have to do phone verification for those. And I haven't had any issues. I know some of you guys have said that you've had some issues having to contact customer support because it says that there's already an account linked to this phone number. I'm not sure why I haven't had any issues, but I haven't. And so there's that. As far as cashing out, as soon as you cash out for a gift card or whatever, it's going to automatically be on your ledger. And then it takes about 2 days, 3 at the most, for it to hit your PayPal. So that's sister apps, and that's what can be stacked and what cannot be stacked. What else? As far as the sister apps, really quick over here, I do only use the browser, specifically the browser. I don't have any of the apps downloaded for sister apps at all. And when I'm doing my deals, I don't activate the offers until I'm actually submitting my receipt. I haven't had any offers pop off. Now, keep in mind, you guys, these offers can come and go just like that. And they only have a certain amount of offers available. And once they hit that, they have to pull the offer. Obviously, as y'all know, a lot of these offers that are super hella popular, they go really, really fast. And that's why. They only have 1,000 offers. Once they hit that 1,000, it's a wrap. As far as stacking with Walmart rewards, because I get this question quite a bit as well. Can you stack with Walmart rewards? So as y'all know, Walmart rewards is powered by Ibotta, all right? They carry the same identical offers, although some offers may be higher or lower on them. Like I know the rate light thing. On Walmart rewards, it's $10, and on Ibotta, it's $5. So if you're doing offers on Ibotta, just make sure of the amount on Walmart rewards, because it may be the same, it may be higher or lower. So just keep that in mind. But I believe that you can stack with Walmart rewards. I only say yeah because you can stack with Ibotta, and if it's powered by Ibotta, they have the same rules and some limitations. Then I would say yes, you can stack with rewards with Walmart rewards. One of the other things that I like about Walmart rewards too is that you don't have to worry about waiting to submit the receipt to anywhere, like, because it's automatically, like, as soon as you use Walmart Pay or the card you have linked. I don't use my card linked. I rather use Walmart Pay to pay for it. But with Walmart rewards, you just, as long as you make sure that you activate the offer first, make sure it's still there when you check out, make sure that it's still on your list, and then you want to use Walmart Pay to pay, or again, you can use the card that's linked to your Walmart account. Only thing about Walmart rewards is that it's one or the other, so it's either Walmart rewards or Ibotta. It's not both. Like, you're not going to get both. And so for me, when I do Walmart rewards and Ibotta, again, I just use Walmart Pay for Walmart rewards, and then I submit the different receipt over to Ibotta, and I haven't had any issues. I think the last time I had an issue was like last month with the Nature Valley, where I activated the offer on Walmart Cash, and I forgot that I activated it. I did it on Ibotta. I got back the money on Ibotta. And then literally a whole day later, I got the Walmart cash for 50 cents for 2. And then Ibotta reversed it. So I was just like, I don't know why it happened like that. Like normally with Walmart cash, it goes through immediately, and Ibotta is not going to even pop up for Ibotta. But yeah, in my opinion, you can stack with Walmart rewards. And then again, it just goes to your Walmart app. And when you go to pay, when you're using Walmart Pay, it gives you the option of how you want to pay. Do you want to use Walmart cash to pay? And if you want to switch to another gift card or whatever you have on file, you can switch at that time. But I do really like Walmart rewards. And so there is that. When it comes to virtual gift cards, like the Visa ones, I always add those to my Walmart app. And then when I go to use Walmart Pay to use it, I just click the one that I want to use to do smaller transactions in order to use those virtual gift cards. That's what I do, but I add my virtual gift cards onto my Walmart app. I sometimes will add my Walmart gift cards that I get to my Walmart app. At least I got in the habit of doing that when my stores stopped letting us scan from our phone. So I would add them to my Walmart app, but lately I haven't had any issues with them scanning them from our phones. When you cash out for Swagbucks, My Points, Inbox, or Tada, it automatically shows up on your activity. Automatically shows up. And again, it takes 2 or 3 days for it to hit your PayPal. As far as contacting support for Alexa, you just click the little chat box and you just chat with them. That's how I do, at least. I've even talked to them a few times as well. When they reimbursed me though, like the 3 times that they did, twice they reimbursed a portion of my Amazon Prime payment, and another time they just refunded something that I bought. I was like, let's hope I don't have to really refund it. They're gonna be like, well, ma'am, we already refunded you. But yeah, that's how you get in touch with customer support. As far as the whole phone number situation, I don't know how to fix that. I know that my Inbox and my Tada do have the same phone number, and I haven't had any issues with them saying not letting me cash out or anything like that. I don't know. I don't know if you change your phone number, will the previous number still be connected to you? I know that my last Inbox dollar account, the one that got canned, that one I was using Joseph's phone number. And then when I got another one, I just used mine, and I haven't had any issues. When it comes to redeeming gift cards at like Walgreens or CVS, I've only done CVS, and they scan it from my phone. I've never had any issues. I've never redeemed a gift card for Walgreens or any other store besides Walmart. And Walmart, I scan from my phone as well. For the Walmart app, we can still manually enter our receipts. I do that at the end of every haul. I go in and I manually scan in all my receipts, and then I wait a few minutes, and then I sync my brand club. I sync my brand club probably twice a week, usually no more than that, because if I don't have as many trips, then there's no need to sync it, in my opinion, so I don't. Now with brand club, you guys know that what is it? The surveys are instant rewards now, and so you get it right away. It's the 2% that takes 2 or 3 days to process. So yeah, there's still that processing pending time for that. Oh, the order that I do Walmart Cash and Ibotta. When I do Walmart Cash, I do it on a transaction by itself. So if I know there's a few things I'm going to do for Walmart Cash, I put them all on the same receipt and I just pay with Walmart Pay. And then if I'm doing the same identical deals for Ibotta, it's on a separate receipt, and then I submit that receipt to Ibotta. I haven't had any issues whatsoever besides that one on the Nature Valley last month. The dog food, the blue, Buffalo Blue, I haven't got back that. They said it's supposed to take 2 weeks to get that. But I feel like 2 weeks is too long. Like, I like, like, part of me wants to just take it back to the store and say, forget it. I think that's just because we're so used to, like, getting paid, like, right away. Like, why wait? Why have to wait? Why do I gotta wait 2 weeks? Huh, Mr. Blue? it kind of makes me want to just like say fuck it and just take it back. Which apps can you double? Like, I mean, technically, I mean, if you do Shop Me first and wait for it to clear, then you could do on Swagbucks or My Points. But see, lately, like I've been putting tickets in on Swagbucks, and like they ain't been getting back to your girl. So I've been kind of doing more My Points. Our inbox are to dot because of that. But generally speaking, I do Shop Me first, wait for it to clear, and then I do, you know, Swagbucks, My Points, inbox are to dot, not all of them. And then Ibotta, and then any other ones I have to do, Shopkick, check out 51, Fetch Your Word, whatever. But yeah, I do it in an order. I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you are able to still. Are you having any issues with Shop Me if you do? If you don't wait for it to clear, basically, or if you do Ibotta first, or if you do Swagbucks first, are you having any issues with Shop Me? But for me, that's how I do it, and that's what's been working for me. Oh, my feet are falling asleep. The Rockstar promotion. It's 1 redemption per receipt. So if you get 10 people that use your link, you got 10 redemptions. Do you know I wish I could just do 1 receipt, but it's 1 redemption per receipt. I wish I could just go buy a bunch of them and just be done with it. I'm gonna go back to I'm going back to see my son for when he graduates. I think at the end of May. He's in Pittsburgh. And I'm saving some redemptions for him. Hoping I can get him to get into the sugar-free, because the regular ones are just a lot of calories and a lot of sugar. But yeah, it's 1 redemption per receipt. And I think that's basically it, y'all. That's it. I hope I answered everybody's questions. If I didn't, ask me again in the comments and I'll respond. But I think I pretty much responded to a lot of the comments on that video. I just wanted to be able to do a sit-down video with you guys as well. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you made it to the end, you are just a freaking amazing. And I'm going to give you a big hug. Give me a big old hug, because you guys are just so darn freaking awesome. Kiss. Mwah. Mwah. Anyways, you guys, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you got to the end, I want to see water, because it's raining. Let me see water in the comments. Rain, water, drips, drip, drip, drips, all in the comments if you got to the end. Other than that, I thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you, and I will see you guys